I'm Sabrina and today we are dissecting a fetal pig.
Let's get across. So am I supposed to be below these arms here?
Yeah, below shoulders and then right above the
Okay.
hips.
I'll get this one started. If you want to start working down there on that one, I'll do the top. You do the bottom?
All right, yep.
Teamwork.
And you're going to go around both ways around.
Okay,
the
sounds good.
umbilical. Said like later we will do the neck to get the thymus and thyroid glands. So
I'm going to work on this side a little more.
sure, yeah.
Situation calls for many.
Mm-hmm.
Did you say Ezel?
Ezel.
Not Ezel. Have
Yeah.
I been saying it wrong? Does everybody say it wrong?
Most people.
Most people say it wrong.
Yeah, but
Including your
yeah.
neighbor and teacher. Sorry about that.
It's okay. I mean,
Ezel.
it's close. Yeah,
Ezel.
and you always say it close. Some people.
Ezel.
That's what
I've
most
always
people
said
say.
it. You're going to be famous someday. We might as well say your name right. All right, so what are we looking at right
All
now?
right, we have.
Go ahead and point.
The liver, and the spleen is over. Is this right here?
Where is it? That's cool.
This right here.
Okay.
And the lungs and heart are right under the rest of this, which we will take out
So we got to
later.
cut that out later.
Yeah. And then we have to take all the intestines out to get to the kidneys and the adrenal glands at the back.
These are all the intestines here, obviously,
Yeah.
right?
Small intestines, and then these ones right here, the large intestines.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Really fold it up there.
Mm-hmm. All right, so I have to cut the liver away from the diaphragm. So this right here is the diaphragm.
Okay.
And so we're gonna want to cut the liver away from that so that we can take it out.
Okay, and you're going to set it and weigh it, right?
Yes. All right, and this is the gallbladder, so we want to make sure that we cut that out and don't weigh it in the.
Okay.
This, I believe, is the.
Here's some boats for you. Oops.
There. And we do not have to weigh the gallbladder, so.
And it's zeroed out, so you tell me. How many grams does the liver weigh?
30.1.
30.1 grams for the liver.
After the liver is the spleen, which is the one right next to this. This is the stomach, and it is this right here, this flap on the side.
All right. I'll let you cut that out. I'll get you a measuring bolt right in here. This is the spleen, 1.6 grams.
After the spleen is the pancreas. And to get to the pancreas, you have to remove the stomach first because it is behind the stomach.
Okay. Are we also massing the stomach, or are we?
Oh, wait. It is, no, we are not.
Okay.
It is,
Okay.
it's like kind of grainy. And some people said it looks kind of like chewed up bubble gum. Like right there.
What was this again?
The pancreas.
Pancreas. Yeah. Okay. Did you take the stomach out yet?
Oh no, this is.
Maybe take it out just to be
Alright.
sure that that's it. I don't know because it's been a long time, probably 17 years since I've done this, but
Yeah.
I feel like this would be the appropriate time to give a shout out to Miss Chrissy Swartz, a high school teacher at Yorkville. My student teacher back in 2015 was kind enough to gift me with this fetal pig before she was done. And she's like, here, Hames, have this.
Alright, we probably want to dump
It's gonna do that for a minute. Sure. You keep working.
All right.
The noise enhances what we're trying to do.
Yeah. All right.
So for the experts out there watching that are cringing, we were a little unsure about where the pancreas was or is. We think we've identified it based upon pictures we've Googled, but what Sabrina has decided to do is what?
We are just going to cut it out and mass it, and then later analyze it and make sure that it is the pancreas.
So if we have to, if we decide we don't have enough evidence to suggest that it
Yeah.
is that, we'll just omit that from the data?
Yep.
Okay.
Duodenum or duodenum, I don't know how to pronounce
Oh,
it.
okay.
This is. So that's
Alright.
the beginning of
So is
the
it-
small intestine right there.
Is this it right here? This little guy? This is it.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
All right.
Boom. That's gotta be it. Looks just like the picture.
Yeah.
Looks like yellow, moist cauliflower.
Yeah.
Do you like cauliflower, Sabrina? Not anymore?
Well, it's only steamed.
Nice.
It's not anymore, yeah.
Nah. I'm having a blast.
Me
Happy
too.
Friday, everybody.
Yeah. There.
1.3 grams. Yeah. Gosh, how did we not know that was at the pancreas?
Next is we have to remove the small intestines and large intestines so that we can get back to the kidneys, and then we should, for time.
Yes.
All right, I need to find the kidneys then.
The kidneys?
Yeah,
Oh, boy.
they're gonna be behind the.
So you gotta take away that membrane to get to the kidneys?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Not really sure.
You don't know what you're gonna have for lunch? 7.9 grams. You can see the two kidneys sitting there. She's recording that in her data table now. The size of that heart.
Yeah.
That is awesome. All right, we've got everything opened up. Go ahead and
You can take out the long atrium. And,
We're totally cutting that open to see the different ventricles and atria.
yeah. There you go.
Look at
Little
that.
Tubes and stuff.
Yeah, this would be, I don't know which would be which, but you'd have the aorta and
That.
superior vena cava.
The superior is up there. The inferior vena cava is down there.
Yeah, it would
somewhere.
run like down the bottom of the heart. Though.
Yeah.
It all comes in and out up here.
Like the pulmonary
Yeah.
veins and the pulmonary arteries.
Look at that. You could actually see inside there.
Yeah.
That is incredible. 0.1 grams.
I think that is probably atrium, the ventricle. Ventricles are down at the bottom.
Yep, atria are top. But
And
yeah,
then-
and this must be like what would be called the septum.
Yeah.
Along. Go ahead, plop it in my hand.
There's the other one.
Cool. 24.7 together,
Yep.
individually, in case we're curious
I
later
think
on.
one was bigger than the other.
This one is the smaller one. It's 10
That's-
grams.
I believe that is the left one.
14.8.
So we dissected a fetal pig to weigh its major organs and then compare the weights of those organs to the weights of a fetal baby organs.
And why was this a meaningful experience for you, Sabrina?
It was meaningful to me because I want to be in the medical field.
Cool.
So,
Cool. So this is something you want to do someday.
yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you. That was very fun.